Hello, I'm Ashley, the engineer at Andover Norton, and welcome to Stafford. Well, not quite Stafford, because you can see I'm still in Andover Norton, but by the time you see this video, we will have uncovered the box and you'll see what's in it. And we're going to do that at Stafford. Now, what we have here is a front hub. This hub is taking 5 years to find somebody that would actually cast it. The reason it is so difficult is because it has a cast iron track inside the hub. Nearly every foundry that wanted to do this job said it's not a problem, we'll cast the aluminium hub and we'll shrink the actual brake track in. That is not an option, and I wasn't going to go down that path. The brake track is profiled on its outer edge so that when it's cast in, it is locked in. Now, you may think that it was a straightforward process to do, but it's not. First we have to cast the actual brake track. Once we've cast that, we've then got to figure out how we cast that into the aluminium without actually breaking the cast iron track. There is some tricks to it that between myself and the foundry, we have figured out how to do it. I know that sounds strange, but nearly every foundry, they have lost their experience on how to cast a brake track into a hub. This hub will be machined with the UNF thread. You can still fit it to a pre-Commando bike, but you'll have to remember it's UNF. We will most probably end up stamping close to the thread that it's UNF, so people will know. But it will fit the Dominator, and it will also take the twin leading shoe brake plate. Other than the threads, there's very little difference between the Commando hub and the Dominator hub. There's just a one slight machining difference, which in realistic terms doesn't make much of a difference. Other than that, they're pretty much identical. We'll be going to Stafford this weekend. Hope you're there, and if you're wandering around, come and visit us on the stand. We'd love to have a chat and catch up with our customers.